Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with using Traveloka. Traveloka, found at www.traveloka.com, serves as a comprehensive online travel agency catering to a variety of travel needs. Primarily focusing on Southeast Asia, it offers a wide array of services, encompassing flight and hotel bookings, along with access to airport transfers, car rentals, and even attractions. The platform is designed to simplify the often complex process of travel planning by providing a centralized hub where users can compare prices, browse available options, and manage their itineraries all in one place. One of the standout features of Traveloka is its user-friendly interface. The website and mobile app are intuitively designed, making it easy to navigate through the various sections and find the specific services you're looking for. Whether you're searching for a budget-friendly hostel or a luxurious 5-star resort, Traveloka presents a diverse range of accommodations to fit various budgets and preferences. Furthermore, the platform frequently offers promotional deals and discounts, providing opportunities to save money on your travels. Traveloka's extensive network of partners within the travel industry allows them to offer competitive pricing and a broad selection of choices. Beyond simply booking flights and hotels, Traveloka also facilitates the planning of activities and experiences at your chosen destination. This includes everything from purchasing tickets to popular tourist attractions to booking guided tours and excursions. This comprehensive approach to travel planning sets Traveloka apart, allowing users to seamlessly integrate all aspects of their trip into a single, manageable itinerary. Moreover, Traveloka provides helpful resources such as destination guides and travel tips, further enhancing the user experience and assisting travelers in making informed decisions about their journeys. This contributes to a more holistic and streamlined travel planning process. By offering a one-stop shop for all your travel needs, Traveloka aims to empower travelers with the tools and information they need to create memorable experiences.